Hello everyone, welcome back to my live trading today. And it's already Tuesday, and yesterday we just have the PMI news economic data released, right? So I hope that you have a good result in trading. Okay, so it's officially start May. Okay, May is coming. Hello my friends, welcome to my live trading today. Hi, good luck. Good luck to all of us. Okay, so as usually that you will see the set up gold price, gold signal on the chart. Okay, on your left side of the chart. And as you can see that after the geopolitical tensions, right, the war between Russia and Ukraine is officially exploded again. And today it's nearly the anniversary of Russia. Okay, so the soldiers, the military soldiers of Ukraine attacked the capital of Russia, and that's the main reason why the gold prices strongly bullish recently. Just only yesterday that it increased more than $50. Yesterday. Okay, so you can review my day trading plan for another point of view for your trading. And yes, there could be price reductions from 410 to 420. Okay, let me check the level that you ask. Is it around here, right? Yes, that price zone is the resistance that's matched with the resistance that I draw on the chart here. Okay, there still have a strong bullish, the bullish here. Okay, and another further is about here of 34.65. But it's still far from that. Okay guys, come on to my live trading, and there will be surprise trading gift for you. Okay, before that we will check the Forex Factory calendar. Alright, today there's no important news because I had the filters around red and orange news only. Okay, so today they're not special news. Alright, just focus on the trend, the market trend, and we will see how its reaction, and in the smaller time frames that we have the good entries. And touch good again, that Nova also had a lot of more than 100 pips signals today. Yes, especially in the London session. Okay, and before I start my live trading, there's one signal that buy gold at 33.74, gain more than 180 pips. Okay, so if you want to practice your trading skill about the signal analysis, technical analysis, and you want to have a qualified scalping signal, you can refer my VIP community on Telegram, so that you will have a lot of choice, a lot of opportunities to maximize your profit. Okay, welcome. Wow, today is more than 100 friends in my live trading session. Wow, thank you very much. And yeah, I also have another community on Telegram with more than 24,000 participants. And those are all my friends all around the world. And I will upload it, my gold daily trading plan. Yeah. Frequently on the Telegram community, so that if you don't want to miss any notification about your trading journey, so what are you waiting for? Don't hesitate, click to the link, okay, click into the link that I put in the description box to join in my community on Telegram. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much, because I receive your kind support, your love. If I don't have you, all of my friends, Nova cannot develop like this. Okay. Yeah, so it's not a scalping, it's not a real-time signal right now, but yeah, let's wait for this entry. Okay, because now it's the price too FOMO to have any new entries. Okay, so let's wait for a better price. So we have a scalping signal by gold at the zone 80 to 82. Okay, and we are real-time traders. Okay, so remember, always setting the stop loss order in your trade. Wow, from Pakistan. I hope that all around the world peace will appear with all of us. Okay, because I am very sad when I heard that there's a war out there. Yeah, you know, Pakistan, Palestine, India, Russia, Ukraine. Yeah, that's so bad. Yeah, I really wish that peace will come to all of us. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I hope that all of you will be safe at your living condition. Yeah. Okay. So now, yes, as a signal on the chart that, yeah, let's wait together to the entry. Okay, and I always remind you about control your emotion and your psychology when doing any trade. Sometimes we shouldn't enter the trade immediately we open the chart. Yeah, we shouldn't do that. We need to analysis. Okay, we need to do the analysis and be patient. Be patient for the better entry. And now at the area, there's the EMA here. Okay, with the support area. So those two conditions. This is for my analysis today for this gapping signal. Okay, let's move a bit. Here, yes, this area. Okay. Yeah, as I told you that we should be patient for the better entry. And this is the limit signal. So I do not encourage you to enter any sell signal at this entry zone because we can miss it. We can miss this signal, right? So we should wait. Yeah, we should wait. Let's say the reaction of the market is it coming back to our entry zone. Yes, that is a good signal. But if not, you will be lost if you have any sell signal at this entry. Full machine. Okay, I guess you're kidding, right? because yeah, you are very familiar to me, so I realize you in my every live trading session. And yes, I always repeat about the risk management lessons, isn't it? We are traders, we are not gamblers. Like it sounds like a song. It sounds like a song lyric. Hmm? Fumajin? Oh, you're not kidding, huh? Oh. Okay, so if you have any problems, so don't blame it for me. Don't blame it to me. Okay, so now it's coming up again. Yes, I told you that we can be missed. So we shouldn't have any sell signal at this entry zone. As the zone, bright zone. Sorry, not entry zone, bright zone. Okay, and recently I prepared the short videos that I uploaded on my YouTube channel, but it seems like the viewers is quite low. Yeah, I don't understand the reason why. So can you help me to put any recommendations for me to develop my quality, video quality, so that I can have a lot of friends interested in watching my short videos uploading on my YouTube channel, because those are precious knowledge that I gain nearly 8 years, nearly 8 years in my trading journey. So that I really hope that you will receive the good lessons, good experience from me, and yes, you will have the better trading journey. Yeah, because I understand that there's a lot of new beginners in this market every single day. And if you have friends who just joined in this market recently, you can share my YouTube channel link, okay, to them, because those are just the basic knowledge that I'm surely everyone can understand at the beginning. You need to do marketing of video. Indian server. Wow, Indian server. Okay, thanks a lot, Gurja. Wow, that's a good recommendation, good advice for me. Thanks a lot, and I will ask my team to do it. Thank you. Possible price back to 33 and 80. Now I think to you, we'll just wait if we miss the signal. Okay, that's just fine. There's hundreds opportunities that based on my analysis, and I believe that we still have hundreds of opportunities, especially in my VIP community. Yeah, scalping signal for you from Asian session, London sessions, and New York. Okay, so you will have full time to play, to trade. Okay, to trade, not to play. Do you mean the video quality? Because I extract the video with 1080 quality. So can you adjust your device to the better quality? Okay, hook points. Okay, thanks a lot. I will take note about the hook points. And yeah, because I adjust, that's the default quality of every videos of Nova is 1080. So please adjust your device. Okay, so I will check it again as well. The daily schedule on the screen is invalid. Oh, let me check a bit. Those are just my latest. Okay, hang on a second, I will need to check. Okay, right, yeah, thanks a lot for your remind. I just changed into the latest scalping signal for my day trading plan. Thanks a lot. Editing quality. Okay, so I will check it again. Okay, sure, thanks a lot. Why are you sure that I will just full machine? Why are you sure like that? Just because my normal volume is 1.5 lot for a trade. Hello, Wawas. Yeah, Wakas. Thank you so much. I'm very good today. And yeah, we have a limit signal, right? It's not fun like we have the real-time scalping signal, isn't it? But it's time for us to practice the patience. Okay, and it's coming up to the resistance zone here. There's a lot of resistance level that the price needs to break. Okay, but I believe that there will be a bearish reaction here as this zone. Okay, just because that my trading plan. Okay, and I always hope that we will have luck, right? We will have luck all the time. Hello, Gupta. Yeah, just because there are war news between Russia and Ukraine, right? You heard it on the TV, on the social media. Yeah, there's a lot of news relating to this event. So that's the main reason why it increased, the price go sharply, right? Because I heard this news since last Sunday. Sunday the market closed, but Monday, yesterday, when the market opened, and you see the result, isn't it? Okay, it's like gold price had a rocket. It's rocket behind. Okay, and just within an hour, I don't remember. Okay, and you can see this strong bullish momentum here. The bullish very strong here, sharply increased. Okay, yes, yesterday, especially in the New York session, right? The sharp I have from London session, and it's continue increasingly in the New York session. And today, yeah, it still continues the bullish momentum. Okay, and now, yeah, it's reached to the 95 already, but our entry zone is just 80. So Okay, don't worry. There's still a lot of opportunities for us for the scalping signal. Okay, and our mission is wait for the good entry zone. All right. So we don't have to worry about it. But what if we missed? There's still the sell go zone as my daily plan, isn't it? 34 and 18 to 34 and 20. As you can see that on the chart. And a friend just reminded me to change it. Okay? And I will zoom it out for you to see it clearly. Yeah, a bit. Okay. So don't worry if we missed this gapping signal, right? Because I still supply the gold trading plan to you every single day. And for a day that I don't have the live session schedule, I will upload it both my YouTube channel and Telegram channel, Telegram community. Okay, and yeah, just wait and see where's it going. Bay sharp, so drop your signal. Yeah, you can see on the chart there are 3 signals for you. Yeah, because those are not the real-time signal. They're just pending orders. Just be patient for the market run to active our entry zone. Okay, this is the character. Patience is one of the most important character that we need to practice when we are traders, right? Sometimes we put a lot of trades is not good, that we can gain the big profit signals is better for you than have a lot of trades. And this week we will have we just have the unemployment claims, and yes, FOMC statement. There's still support for the, let's say, more hawkish than expected. Is good for the currency. Okay, so if it's good for the currency, which is USD, this is the bad signal, right? The negative signal for the gold price. So I believe that there will be a slightly adjustment when this news release tomorrow. Okay, and it's kind of late because 8 p.m. in France, which means in Asia it is midnight, right? So yeah, if my friends in Asia, you still have chance to trade in Asian and London session or in the early New York session. Sometimes we don't need to wait for this event and trade. The first thing important is your health. If you have a good health, you will have the good emotion when you do any trades. Okay, your psychology is very important, and it requires health. Do you still remember a half a week ago that I caught flu? Yeah, and that time I very tired. I nearly cannot do anything. But yeah, I need medicine. I have to drink a lot of medicines to help me recover soon, because you know that I have dozens of works. Okay, and I cannot let it pending any days. So keeping your health good is very important, that you decided to become a trader. Okay, but in Europe and USA, yeah, it's still early for you to trade. But according to my advice, okay, I always remind you about wait about 10 or 15 minutes later after the news economic data release. That's it better for you to enter any entries safely. Okay, because when the news release, there are a lot of sharks. Wait for the bait. And who will become the bait? The shark pays. That's it, the impatient trader. Right? So yeah, sometimes we need to do nothing to protect our profit so as our capital. Okay. And yes, hawkish is to follow a hawkish. And there are also a lot of economic data that reflects the economy health, right? The economy strength or inflation, okay, or the strength of the currency, okay. And I also do the summarized table, that I do the brief analysis, the connection, the concern between those economic data to the currency and gold price. Okay, if you wish to receive it, I will make a short video to do about it, so that you will have the overall look for this economic news. How is it impact to the gold price? Okay. It's still coming up. And yeah, it seems like this signal, yeah, just let it wait. We just wait for it, but somehow yeah, we cannot predict it when it's active, right? And today it seems like quiet on my stream session, because we do not have any actual trading signal, right? Okay, that's just fine. There's still a lot of trade opportunities for you on the screen. Okay, and it's near to the resistance zone that I put it on my day trading plan, the 1420 to 1418, 2418. Okay, so I also remind you that you shouldn't have any scalping sell signal at the entry when I put it by limit, right? So now, as you can see, that is increasing to 96, and that time when I gave you the alert, the price, the entry zone is around here, 91. Okay, so it's very dangerous for you to have the scalping signal for to reach to the limit order, right? It's very dangerous for you. Always remember, because I will tell you a story that why do I know this? Because in the beginning I started because I also joined to another VIP community of another traders, of men traders. And yeah, when I see this buy signal at the lower level price, so I I thought that why don't I sell, wait so that I will have the profit, because the pending orders is at the lower level, right? And the price is high, and I decided to have the sell signal and wait it to coming back to the entry zone at the VIP community, inform that to me. But you know that that signal was cancelled because that it was missed. And yeah, the consequence is I hit the stop loss because I had that sell signal. Okay, that's very funny now. Well, every time when I think about it, it's very funny because that's a natural reaction, right? Okay, and we definitely believe in these signals I supply in the VAB community. That I think that 100% is match, is active, but I cannot imagine. Right, that time I didn't have enough experience that signal can be missed. Okay, and yeah, this is the very funny story that I always remember when I just start my trading journey in the beginning. And I want to share this to all of you that we shouldn't do like that, right? Okay, and just wait, it's coming back to the entry, and if it's missed, just wait for another chance. So we shouldn't do the yourself analysis like that, right? Okay, it's very dangerous. How can I show it? Okay, you can come in my VAB community because I uploaded my trading screenshot. Okay, I published the process on my VAB community so that you can see it. And on the YouTube channel, I will do it as the limitation, less than I public on my VAB community. Okay, because you know that there is something sensitive that we shouldn't share too much on the social media. Hello, new friends coming back to my live trading session today. Okay. Oh, okay, so now coming back to read the comments. Oh, you need EMA. Yeah, I also did a short video about setting the EMA. Okay, that's no problem. That I will show you again how to do it. You choose indicators and select this one so that you keep it remain unchanged any input condition. Okay, choose this, and okay, I just double it, delete one. Oh, what's this? No, the setting is just remain the same. Okay, let's see how I can close it. Guys, how can I close it? Okay, just scroll it down. Okay, and yeah, just keep these inputs. Did not change anything, and you can change the style of the line. Okay, here. Yes, it's very easy for you. And when the price above the EMA, you can predict it. Yes, it's in the bullish. And when the price is under the EMA, that's the downtrend. Okay, the market is in the downtrend. And when the candles is on the EMA, okay, it's line on the EMA like this one, the market is in sideways. Right, the market is in sideways. Those are just the three common status when you choose EMA to do your analysis. Okay, and when you want to set up any entry point based on the EMA, based on using the EMA, you need to wait the crossover of the candles. Okay, there's a crossover of the candlestick between the two EMAs or 3 EMAs, and the candlestick the body of the candlestick is closed under or above the EMA, so that you can decide it to enter the trade. Okay, if it's closed above, you can have the sell signal. But the opposite, and you can do the you can combine with the support and resistance or trend line to make sure your analysis is more stable. Okay, it's safer for you to have to identify the entry zone. Yes, that is the brief explanations about using the EMA to do any entries, and you need to practice. And actual practice. And you can try to open the demo account to get used to the platform, the trading platform in advance. Okay, and when you're confident and you want to practice with your real money, start with the small capital. Okay, start with the small capital first. And you shouldn't bet on to your trade, to your any entries, if you don't know exactly about this market, right? And this is not good. It's very harmful, and 100% that you will lose everything if you are greedy in the beginning. Okay, and I also heard a lot of stories that a few people gain a lot of profits in the beginning when they even don't know anything about the market. They just know how to place order, market order, right? And just by luck, they have the good entry and it follow the trend so that they gain a profit. But I sure with you, if they still keep that mind, okay, in the past it already happened, and there's a lot of case, a lot of stories I heard, and they didn't believe in the bad luck. Okay, and they just trade with this big volume compare with their capital. Okay, and the consequence, their account was blown away. And yes, there's a lot of case study regarding to trading. So every time I have the live trading session with all of you, I hope that I will not share only the scalping signal, but also the actual real story, about myself, experience, but also another story, so that you will not have it again. Okay, you will not have that trouble again, because the geopolitical tensions and wars is very stressed, right? It's very stressful recently, and there's a lot of unemployment, I know, and some of them find a way to become a full-time traders. But if you trade with the pressure emotion, you cannot do it well. So just relaxed. And how to be relaxed, learn first, and then practice step by step with a small capital. And it depends to each person's skill. Okay, and when you're confident with your actions, how to open and close any trades, okay, you get familiar using the trading platforms, using the service of the brokers, right? When you be officially confident, you start with a small capital first to let yourself practice with the market. You know, the money is keep on moving very fast, right? It's change constantly from blue to red, red to blue, yeah, so on. And that makes your brain, your mind cannot catch it, right? Cannot catch it enough. So just start with a small capital first, and if you want to practice with your self-analysis, okay, I have the VIP community so that you can compare with your self-analysis, and yeah, you can trust that those are qualified signals. Okay, those are qualified signals for you. And always remember about risk management lesson. Yeah, and like the comments I just saw, that's the full machine for one trade, like a friend Abbas, isn't it? Yeah, that's the thing that I never recommend for the full machine for only one trade, one entry. You can be lucky, but it's not long enough for you to be wealthy. Okay. On your right side, click what? Amr. Okay, now I'm reading your comments. Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. I also share the analysis. Okay, let me check. BTC is also have the recover impressively recently, isn't it? It's coming back to the 94Ks, right? As I remember, Binance here. Okay, it's just have the decrease 1 hour time frames, and okay, I'm coming back to the daily time frame. Okay, so now it's coming back to the support zone here. I think there will be a sideways for a few days, and it's kind of far from this EMA, and you can see there's a gap here, and it tends to fill this FVG area. Okay, now I move it a bit. Yeah, this is the gap. The gap we need to pay attention in the future. Okay, especially this week, it tends to fill this gap because now this is the strong bullish momentum candlestick here, and it's lack of liquidity. And now it's the candlestick of the daily time frames is now it's currently just under the EMA, and when today session is end and this candlestick body is below the EMA, so yeah, it's officially filled the gap, so we need to pay attention about this area. And yeah, we shouldn't have any buy signal much, especially yeah, we can take that we can capitalize for the buy scalping signal as the reactions for the bullish. But now the main trend is still the bearish. Okay, so we just follow the trend of the market, and so that we can have the better entry zone. And when you trade with your any time frames, you must follow the stop loss and take profit of that time frame you decide to trade. Okay. And if you want to hold your trade for a long time, like a long position, swing traders, you make sure that your capital is big enough to protect your signal. Okay, as you can see that on the 1 hour time frame, those candlestick is still above still under, okay, still under the EMA. So at the moment you can see that it have the reaction, the brief reaction as this resistance support zone, okay, but the main trend is still downtrend, okay. Yeah, so this is the you can say that like a flag. Yeah, that's my point of view about the Bitcoin, the BTC USD for today and this week. And if you want to enter any trades, just wait for this signal, is because it already have the third reaction at this support zone, okay. Just wait. And if you want to have the detailed information about the Bitcoin, okay, you can send me the direct message on the Telegram channel, so that I can provide to you the detailed analysis about Bitcoin. And on my live trading today, I just focus on the gold because I don't have enough time to give the detailed explanation about another asset but gold. Okay, so now we're coming back to gold. Just have 1 hour only for the live trading for a week. Yeah, so this time is very precious for me. And today seems like luck is not with us for any actual scalping signal, isn't it? But it's okay, they're still here. This resistance is waiting for you at the for the sell scalping signal, as I already mentioned on the chart, and you can see it clearly. Okay, and yeah, if you want to hold this pending order, yeah, that's just fine. You can set the limit order, and when it's coming back, it can active anytime. But I recommend you that we should keep within a day, and when it's come tomorrow and this entry zone is still not active, this signal is still not active, we should cancel it, because this is the signals within a day, valid within a day. Okay, so just wait until the market close, right? And it's still not active, just cancel it. HMR periods, what's it the short letters stands for? Can you explain to me? Is it the price actions? Because there's a lot of short names, and please type it so that I can understand it quickly. Okay, so I just read the comments of Bay Chapel. Yeah, 30-minute time frames is also okay for you to set up the scalping signal, but you can see the price range is very large, and you have to identify the stop loss and take profits based on the 30 minutes time frame. And yes, you can make sure that your capital is okay for you to trade in the big time frame, okay, because in each time frame the bright zone is very large, it's larger than the smaller time frames. And for 30 minute time frame, you can use it to identify the resistance, the current resistance or support zone. Yeah, it's just like a half of 1 hour time frames, right? So yeah, it's okay for you to trade with the 30-minute time frames. Yeah, that's no problem. Okay, so just have the quick reactions at this EMA, isn't it? The wick is very long right after it's touch the EMA here. EMA 8. Yeah. So anyone at the entry 86? Anyone have the buy signal at the 86? Sometimes that I show you a lot of information about EMA, and when you can start it, you can use it with your technical analysis. Okay, you can see that it's just touch the EMA and let's have the bullish reaction for 50 pips, more than 50 pips. All right, higher margin requirements. Oh yeah, how to say? When it's increased the margin requirements, sometimes that's a trap, a financial trap for you to trade more with big volume. You know, when you enter any trades with big volumes, they will have the commission, right? The broker will have the commissions. So that way they encourage you to open the trade with big position, with big volume, so that they gain a lot of commission. But that's also the big risk for you, because sometimes you cannot sure that your analysis is 100% winning rate, right? So and you decided to double or triple your volume, your trading volume, but you don't care about your capital safety. That's very dangerous, and your risk is multiple times. So I always be alert about that requirements. Sometimes that you using the leverage wrong against the trend of the market is very, very, very risky for you. So my main point of view is just follow the risk management lesson. That is the safest way for you to survive long enough in this market. And even though that I choose the maximum leverage of the broker when I open the live trading account, but I never full margin. Yes, I never do that. Yeah. Okay, I will tell you another story about myself. Before I start to trade gold, I try stocks. Yeah, I invest to stocks and I put full margin, as you say, as someone just comment that full margins. Yeah, I used to do it when I invest stocks, right? And those always brought a lot of bad consequence, bad results, and yeah, it just brought the losses to you, and the percentage of winning people when the market, it's approved from the market, is just a few. And especially you are beginner, newbie, freshers, yeah, you're just like a bait of the sharks. Yeah, so sometimes I really scare. When you comments like that, I recall my memories about when when the beginning of my journey. Yeah, I tried to many fields, stocks, crypto, and yeah, now it's forex and coin, currency pairs and gold. Yeah, so yeah, I believe that I had enough experience for you to share it with you. So we should stay avoid it from those requirements. And sometimes there will be bonus, yeah, bonus from the brokers, but we want to survive long enough in the market. Yeah, just keep in mind about the risk management lessons. That's the best way for you. And don't be greedy anyway. Don't be greedy. Okay, guys, so yeah, it's about 1 hour, and today, yeah, I also have another chance to interact with you, and so that I have a chance to tell you a lot of interesting stories, isn't it? Okay, so thank you so much for joining in my live trading session today, and we still have the sell signal. Yeah, the price at the moment is nearly to my sell signal at the entry zone 34.20. Okay, so just wait for until the New York session. So if it's match, it's active or not. Okay, and when the market closes and the signal is still not be active, just cancel it without hesitation. Okay, and there's a lot of opportunities is waiting for you in the future, right, tomorrow. Okay, and yes, thank you so much, and see you next time. Okay, yeah, just remind you that this week I have another live trading schedule on Friday. Okay, on Friday, not Thursday as usual. So just keep in mind, or you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and whenever I start my live trading, the notification will send to your channel. Okay, will send to your device. And I also have the community on Telegram and VIP community, so that you will have a lot of great experience and scalping signal for you to trade whole the day. Okay, thank you so much for always supporting me, and yeah, have a good day. See you again.